bike right here is the Hofsko, and it's got this back rack on it, and this thing fits perfect on here. So if you've got one of these racks like this, whether it's your regular bike or your e-bike, this is the bag I recommend. And let me just go over some of the features of this thing. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now and really kind of like trying it out. So you get this little manual right here that kind of shows you, it's a product manual. Install time is 5 minutes. You see the bag and you see how it loops around on the front and then on the side. So let me show you how this thing works. Oh, by the way, while I have it out, there is a secret thing on this. Check out in here. You see this rack right, this strap right here? This strap will go like this and it hooks on right there and it forms a sling bag. So if you want to stop somewhere, say you're leaving your bike and you're locking your bike up, you would take your bag, put your sling on, and then take it off like this, and you've got a sling bag that you can take inside, so that way you're not leaving all of your items out on your bike. Now that's a feature I don't use much, but I could easily see that being a very handy feature for a lot of people. They put this kind of like grippy like texture on the bottom, so that way it doesn't slide around on the racks, and I like that. The quality of this thing feels very durable. It has this water resistance property, but not full on waterproof, but the zippers right here have a waterproof coating along them. And it's got this little coating on the zippers. I always like this attention to detail when companies do that, and they put that little coating. Reflector strip on the back right here, so it gives you a little more visibility in the back. A handle, another little like zipper on the side. Now down in here, you know what I keep? I keep a full-on tool kit down in there. And that's nice down in there. And this side, I don't think I got anything in this side. You know what I usually put in this side? It's like a wallet or some extra battery, power bank or something like that. Actually, let's just go ahead, put this thing on the rack and see what it looks like while it's installed. First off, I'm gonna pull these down. This is the front of it that goes towards the seat. And it's just gonna go just like that. This Velcro is really strong. It seems to work well. Now this right here is gonna go under here like this, go through here, and then comes down. Y'all see how that worked? And then the same way on the other side, under there like that, through this latch right there. I don't go down super tight, I just pull it tight enough, and you see how you don't really have to go real tight on this thing actually. And then let's say you want to put a water bottle that's easily accessible, I'll put it just like that. I can tighten that up. Now I can put a wide variety of things under this cinching right here, because you can put like maybe a jacket or a hat or something like that. But I like putting a water bottle, some extra water. I usually run a water bottle up there, but I also put some water bottle up here. Now I can access this from reaching back while I'm sitting on the seat. In here I've got like a first aid kit, some sunglasses, some gloves, a phone mount, and a bike lock, things like this. This is why these are so handy on a bike like this. You can fit all that down in there. Yeah, everybody, I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs a good bike rack bag at a good affordable price that can kind of like carry enough gear for, all occasions. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the KEMIMOTO bike rack bag. See you on the next video.